What if I told you that every second, over 10,000 glasses of Coca-Cola are consumed around the world? But have you ever wondered how this iconic drink is actually made? Today, we're taking you inside the incredible Coca-Cola production process. And before we begin, subscribe for more fascinating factory secrets. It all begins with purified water and the legendary Coca-Cola syrup formula, mixed with incredible precision. Next comes carbonation, where pressurized carbon dioxide creates the signature fizz loved by billions. The finished Coca-Cola is then bottled, sealed, and packaged by advanced machines producing thousands every minute. From secret formulas to advanced technology, this is how the world's most famous soft drink is made. Would you drink one right now? Before Coca-Cola reaches stores around the world, every single drop begins an incredible journey inside highly advanced manufacturing facilities. The process starts with water, the most important ingredient in every bottle of Coca-Cola. This water goes through multiple stages of purification, filtration, and quality testing to ensure that it meets extremely strict international safety standards. Once the water has been purified, it is transferred into massive stainless steel mixing tanks. Here, the legendary Coca-Cola syrup concentrate is carefully added using computerized systems designed for perfect accuracy. Although the exact Coca-Cola formula remains one of the world's most famous trade secrets, modern factories use advanced technology to guarantee that every bottle tastes exactly the same, no matter where it is produced. Once the Coca-Cola mixture has been prepared, it moves to one of the most important stages of production, carbonation. During this process, purified carbon dioxide gas is injected into the liquid under carefully controlled pressure and temperature conditions. This step creates the iconic fizz and refreshing taste that Coca-Cola is known for worldwide. Engineers continuously monitor the carbonation levels using advanced digital systems to ensure consistency and quality. Even the smallest variation can affect the final taste, which is why this process requires extraordinary precision and advanced industrial technology. After the carbonation process is completed, the finished Coca-Cola is transferred to high-speed bottling lines. Thousands of bottles move through the factory every minute with incredible precision and efficiency. Advanced filling machines carefully dispense the exact amount of Coca-Cola into each bottle while maintaining strict hygiene standards. Automated sensors continuously inspect every bottle to detect any defects or inconsistencies. This extraordinary level of automation allows Coca-Cola factories to produce millions of bottles every single day while maintaining the same taste and quality worldwide. Once the bottles have been filled and sealed, they enter the packaging stage. Powerful robotic systems organize thousands of Coca-Cola bottles into cartons and pallets at incredible speeds. Every package is carefully inspected before leaving the factory to ensure quality and safety. The finished products are then transported to distribution centers around the world using one of the largest supply chains ever created. Every day, millions of Coca-Cola products travel thousands of miles to reach stores, restaurants, and customers across the globe. From water purification and secret syrup formulas to advanced carbonation, bottling, and global distribution, the production of Coca-Cola is one of the most sophisticated manufacturing processes in the world. Every single bottle represents decades of innovation, engineering, and quality control. Today, billions of people enjoy Coca-Cola in more than 200 countries around the globe. And now, one final question remains.
Are you Team Coke or are you Team Pepsi? Comment your choice down below right now.